Hi, hello, this is CYBERDOCKS. Welcome to my channels. Before getting to the new topic, in previous video we discussed about that installation of burp and then types of add-ons that I most used add-ons to start hacking. Okay, today's topic we are going to see about that OSINT. That sounds good, man. OSINT means it's a open source intelligence. It is a free tool. Hacker can easily get informations of public users, informations such as name, email ID, and then the domain names or particular organization of domain name, and then the organization of DNS records. Some stuffs you can see by using these tool. This tool is free and you can locally install on your systems, and then or else you can also use it in online. Today we are going to see that OSINT framework. OSINT framework is mainly used for gathering public available sources for both particular target and then attackers of friendly pen testings can profiling a political page to understand a better information from these topics. So without any actively engaging the target, that attacker can use like a thread or developing a pain of attack to the user. Target the cybering attacks begins with the reconnaissance or footprinting. It's the first phases of ethical hacking. It can actually get information from these OSINT framework. These OSINT framework gather information from the past phase of sources. It is consuming energies from the network and then efficient way and then user friendly. Well, you may have tools like showdowns, TinyEye, port scanner, Nmap, and then Zenmap, etc. They are fully range of tools for vast experience of gathering information from these tools. The security of these stuffs you can you can take from these websites. It's totally free for the user. Once again, I repeat that OSINT is a framework. This tool is mainly discovered and it is used for the hacker to enumerate the information of the particular person or an organization. We can get information, lots of information from the users or organization. You can visit these. You can use this tool and get lots of information about the particular person or a particular organization. Okay, let's get into this video. Go to your favorite browser, Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, whatever may be, and type OSINT framework. You can see there's a lots of OSINT framework, OSINT perfect security, OSINT framework, GitHub, and then lots of links are there. Go to first link, OSINT framework. I repeat that OSINT is a tool that can free tool or resources you may hacker can easily get installed in their local host and then easily enumerate the information about the particular target or particular website. These OSINT did not pay any information of the particular persons or organization. We don't have to pay for this enumerating data from these websites. Okay. OSINT, you can see that OSINT framework. In OSINT framework, there's a lot of steps to performing attack: username, email address, domain name, and then lots of steps in geolocation, tools, maps, and search engines, and mobile enumeration, dark web tools, exploit and adversaries. There's a lot of threat intelligence. There's a lot of ways you can hack of particular victim or in a particular person's in an organization. Okay, let's move to the username. you can search the username of the unique word, which means you can search the unique word. For example, Johnson, you may type Johnson where the username have their account, social media accounts such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagrams, and then Opera, Reddit, some of the popular websites. I tell that you can search by using these link. You can search the name Johnson. For example, Johnson, you can search these name from these website, name check and name checker, what's my name, and these are the stuffs you can search the unique name or in a particular organization. Likewise, specific sites, you can also popular sites. If a user registered in the popular site, you can also see it in the popular specific sites also, such as Amazon username, Amazon wishlist, GitHub user. Most of the developers are in the GitHub user, you may refer it. And then if you don't have username, I only have that target email address. So what can I do by getting the email address? In email address, you can search what type of email, and which means what type of email, where did it from come, and then like these information you can search by here. Email search, hunter, email to address, and then Skymail, mail hunts. These are the website you can hunt email address, which is refers to a particular persons or a particular organization. These OSINT framework, I'm not sure that it's fully 100% work proper because you cannot search a nearby friend or your friend, or else you for your name you can search. There's no result found there because these website is based upon the choosing of the victim. For example, if I choose the celebrity name, any name, it can easily predict the information about the celebrity name because they are popularly in the network. If I search my name, it won't display any information about me. So particularly choose the victim, a person or an organization. Be carefully. This is the efficient tool. You can use it very well. You can check email verifications, mailbox validator, email validator, and then you can see breach data. If you are targeting an organization, if there is any attack formed before these days, you can see that any breach data or particular information is leaking or leaked before any attacks of the particular organization. You can search these type of information from these website. You can search these information from this website, unique website. You may search one by one according to your wish. And then spam reputation list. If there is any DNS black hole, which means you running any website or any organization, if there is some loophole, it must be dangerous, because by using the loophole we can exploit many malware in your server. So that can easily take off your server and get information about the server, and then what type of website are you launched in the server, and then get the admin panel and lots of steps there. And then move to domain name. What I can say, I only knows about the domain name. I didn't know about the target username and then target email address. I only knows about his or her domain name. By using domain name, we can also enumerate more amount of data by using these website. Who is record, discovery, passive DNS. These are the informations, which means food reconnaissance, footprinting, are also known as footprinting. Enumeration of data by from the internet is known as footprinting. Domain block list, analytics, URL expander, and then social analytics, cloud resources, vulnerability. You can search vulnerability if you are targeting a particular server, you can identify the what type of server, and then what type of version they are using, which means Apache 2.6.2. you can find it, you can easily go and search exploit db, you can find out the vulnerability of the particular server. It may be useful for you exploit the server and enumerate the information from the server. Subdomains, if you having only one domain, which means google.com, if there in this google.com there's a lots of subdomain. In bug bounty, most of the pro hackers will easily ignore that most of subdomain, because they are targeting single domain and get high paid bugs. If you are low in bug bounty, you can sure that you can find bugs, lots of bugs in subdomains. You can find subdomain by using sublister 3, GoBuster. GoBuster is the best tool I can suggest you, and sublister 3 also, and then Recon NG and Google subdomains, Aquaton. These are the subdomains reliever. You can search and then use it proper way. And then we move to discovery. Here we can I oftenly told that you can refer Showdown website. This website is it's very useful website of gathering information about the particular organization, which means that if you having one domain, which means 192.168.2.1.4, it shows that what type of ports are running, and then what type, which means TCP, and what TCP port is running in port number 43. These stuffs are get informed, you can easily identify from the Showdown website. And daily DNS changes, if daily DNS change of the particular website, you can easily identify what before the DNS name, you can easily find out. And then you can move to passive DNS. You can see the security trials, DNS history. If there is an updation of the particular website, you can see if the DNS is up to date or not. You can easily see, you can easily see that DNS up to date. If there is not up to date, you can easily to exploit that particular website. And then we move to analytics. You can see lots of search engines. You can Netcraft, I mostly use Netcraft to use can enumerate information about the particular persons or in a particular organization. And then tools, burpsuit. I hope you can know how to install burpsuit and how to intercept the website. And then Black Widow, and then internationally domain name conversion tool, and then hunting new finger, which means registered domains. Okay, these are the first OSINT framework part 1. You can search one by one usernames, and then email address, and then domain, and in the domain there's a subdomains, how to find subdomains, and how to analytics. These are the information you can search in the OSINT tool. I hope you can like this video. If you are like this, hit thumbs up and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.